Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I've always wanted to learn how to do a brake skid turn. When you're riding on the trail and you come up to like a sharp left hand or a sharp right hand, and you hit your brake and it's kind of slide around it. My goal at the end of this is to learn how to do power slides, but you gotta crawl before you walk. So instead of just doing it on my own and figuring it out and probably falling a bunch of times, I found a video by Brake Magazine. But I'm going to go step by step with this video, and I'm going to record the whole thing and we'll see what happens.
We're going to approach the area we want to skid in at about 15 to 20 miles an hour, and you're going to pull the clutch in and stand on the back brake as hard as you can. And when you apply the brake and you start to slow down, your body position needs to change a little bit from a standard riding position. We need to brake at the hips and bend the knees so you come lower in the bike and your bum comes back a little bit.
So first step is to go about 15 or 20 miles an hour, pull in your clutch, step on the brake, and put your butt back a little bit, kind of brace yourself from flying forward while you're stopping. So let's try that, and you're supposed to skid until you come to a stop, and then you can put your foot down. So let's see how that goes. There we go. All right, let's do that again. I had better balance that time than I was expecting. All right, let's try it again. There we go. I need to work on getting my body weight back. Okay. There we go. It's got to happen at least once a day. So what I've noticed so far is the body positioning helps a lot with stability. Before, when I wouldn't think of it, my body would go forward a little bit. The back end seemed like it would like wiggle around. So with the body position, it seems to put some more weight towards the back and kind of keeps it steady. I want to go past it because my goal is to go past it and then do a little turn. So let's try it again. Oh! There we go. I kind of just shifted my weight a little bit to the left and the bike started going. I'm gonna need to rewatch the video and see the actual steps to start turning. So let's skid it one more time.
So you skid in the straight line and you let some of the speed come down before you initiate the turn. It makes the whole process much more controllable. It makes the whole process much more easy to achieve the direction you want to achieve and to get the bike to come round. The second part of doing a good brake side turn is about using your body to get the bike to lean over and using your head to look where you want to go.
So let's try to do a turn. So clutch, brake, weight back. When you're going pretty slow, you want to shift your weight a little bit and look. Let's try. Oh, almost. Let's try that again. All right, I think I need to brake a little bit later so I have a little bit more speed to get around the pole. Nope. Let's see. Let's try it and see if we can go from that. So if I can actually do a left turn. Oh yeah, that was awesome. That felt pretty good. So this tutorial was good. I liked it. Very simple. Seems to be working. So let's do a few more. Oh, that was a little close to the pole. All right, so eventually I'm gonna come out here and learn power slides. That's the real goal, but let's try this again. I need to look more. That's what I noticed. I watched back the footage and my head's not turning. There we go. Got one. That was awesome. All right, well, that's going to do it for the video. Tutorial worked pretty well. I learned quite a bit for, one evening. I'll link the video down below. You guys should check it out if you want to learn this. Hopefully soon I'm going to learn power slides. So that's what's coming next. All right, well, thanks for watching, and till next time.